In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and DigitalOcean for WordPress and website hosting. If you've spent time in web development communities, you've probably seen this debate everywhere. On the surface, it confuses a lot of beginners, especially because Cloudways runs on infrastructure from providers like DigitalOcean. That leads to one big question. Should you pay extra for a managed platform or save money and manage a raw server yourself? Today, we're breaking down the practical difference so you can make the right call. First, let's separate what each platform actually gives you. With DigitalOcean, you're getting infrastructure as a service. That means a basic virtual server, often called a droplet. You get full control, including root access, but you are also responsible for everything: setting up the operating system, securing the server, installing the web stack, and maintaining it over time. In simple terms, you're paying for the machine and you become the system administrator. Cloudways takes a different approach. It sits on top of cloud infrastructure and gives you a managed control panel experience. So instead of building everything manually, you use a guided interface that handles much of the technical work for you. The key point is this: you're not really paying for stronger hardware. You're paying for convenience, support, and save time. To compare them properly, open your browser and sign in to the platform you want to explore. Once you're inside, the setup difference becomes obvious. On raw DigitalOcean, deploying a production-ready site means creating a server, connecting through SSH, and manually installing software like Nginx or Apache, PHP, and a database. If something breaks during setup or after an update, you'll need to troubleshoot it yourself. On Cloudways, the process is much simpler. You choose an application type, pick your provider, select your server size, and launch. The platform handles the server stack in the background. Performance is another major difference. On DigitalOcean, fast caching usually requires manual configuration. On Cloudways, the stack is pre-optimized with tools like Nginx, Apache, Varnish, and Memcached, which makes it much easier to get strong performance without command line work. Now let's talk cost. A basic DigitalOcean server is cheaper, while the same underlying resources through Cloudways cost more. That extra monthly price is the management premium. In return, you get features like backups, staging tools, SSL support, and live support if something goes wrong. If your priority is saving time, Cloudways is usually the easier path. Inside the dashboard, click Launch Now, choose a WordPress or application optimized setup, select DigitalOcean as the provider, choose the premium option, set the server to 2 GB of RAM, pick the data center closest to your audience, and launch the server. Once it's live, review